What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with DasKing.com and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about making money online, blogging, YouTube, cashback apps, cutting the cord on cable. My channel, I show you how to download apps to your Fire Stick, your laptop, to your cell phones to watch TV videos. It's about how to save money and make money. It's about how to save a dollar. And in this channel, I also try to, you know, help people avoid mistakes I made in online business. When I was 24, 25, I didn't know what I was doing. And I didn't know how to start or get started. And I didn't know what to do. And all my blog posts I've written mostly is about starting a blog. And frankly, I didn't do that in the beginning. If I started my blog, I was 24, 25, and did two posts, three posts a week for 4 or 5 years. My blog had been up there, but I didn't do it. I was doing more paid traffic and hit and miss with YouTube, and I was shy on YouTube, and I didn't do videos. So today's question is: where do people need to get started with affiliate marketing or make money online? Let's talk about affiliate marketing. There are so many programs out there that's going to show you, put this down, how to make money online. It's going to show you how to make money with Facebook, how to make money with so and so, how to make money with Amazon FBA, how to make money with Facebook ads, how to make money with YouTube, how to make money with niche websites. The one thing that that you want to do online, the most successful people online, you need to build assets. Buying traffic, what you really need is traffic. If you get traffic, you make money. It's like if you have a store. If I have a shoe store and you have a shoe store, but I'm getting 1,000 clients, 1,000 customers in my shoe store a day, and you're getting like 10 or 20, who will make more money? Me or you? Well, I will make more money because I have way more people in my store, and the likelihood of somebody buying something is very, very high. That's the thing about affiliate marketing. You have to get traffic to the affiliate links. That's all you're doing. All you're doing is two things. Well, really doing one thing. You're getting traffic. So the one thing you must realize is there's two types of traffic. It's free and paid traffic. Paid traffic is paid traffic. You buy a certain amount of clicks. You buy how much? So 10 cents a click, 20 cents a click, and you buy clicks to affiliate offers or to your landing page. Free traffic is blogging, YouTube, social media. That takes a lot of time because it's free. And in the beginning, I was doing a lot of paid traffic. And with paid traffic, it's great if you had a business. It's great starting out to learn how to buy traffic to affiliate links, set up a sales funnel, and getting customers into that sales funnel to go down to buy stuff. The hard part about paid traffic is you have to keep buying traffic. And when the traffic stops, you ain't making no money. So I got away from paid traffic and got to blogging because blogging is a asset because I can have a website online that can get traffic visit to my website all day long. I get people to my website while I'm sleeping. So, and it's free traffic. I have to pay for it. So, in the beginning, you must realize paid traffic and free traffic. What method do you want to do? And once you get a program, stick with the program because there's so many programs out there. There's a program coming every week. Every week, there's a new launch, a new product. How to make money with this, YouTubing, blogging, paid traffic, Amazon this, Amazon that, ads this, guaranteed money. They have programs where you just plug into a software and there's no work to do. You just sit there, plug in, and that's it. Here's my thing: if you're just starting out, what you need to do, a couple things: find your program and stick with it, whatever it is. Now, I have a free training on how to make money on affiliate marketing. It's free. Now, there's paid and there's free. So my free training will teach you how to become a super affiliate within 100 days, and that is 100 days. So that's super affiliate makes $4,000 per month. That's a super affiliate, I believe. So I have a free training. It's totally free, and it will show you step by step. Step one, do this. Step two, do that for free. Now there's paid. There is paid programs out there as well that will teach you. So I say stick with one. You can use mine or somebody else's. Stick with one and stick with it. Number two is build your online assets. That's one thing I missed so much is to build online assets. I should have built me 2 or 3 blogs. I should have built 2 or 3 YouTube channels. Built me some online assets. So once I start promote products, I have traffic going to it. I should have built 2 blogs. One was 24, 25, and built 2 YouTube channels. And during those days, I was like playing Xbox every day with a buddy of mine online. If I would record it, have those streams and edit it out and put it on YouTube, where I'd be at today. So number one is get a program and stick with it. Number two is to build some online assets. Your Facebook page can be an online asset. Your Instagram feed could be an online asset because there's a lot of people who make money on Instagram just by posting pictures. So if you start posting pictures on on Instagram, you post every week, build those photos up, build that profile up. You can promote products. So yeah, a big following. So you can do that as well. So that's another way you can do it. But stick with one way. Number two, build some online assets, YouTube channel, blogs, Facebook pages, fan page, Instagram, and build some passive online sites and stick with it. You're not gonna make money overnight. You might will pay traffic, and then you can still do paid traffic. But I say do those things first, and you can still roll into paid traffic. You can still roll into Amazon FBA if you want to, but you're still building online assets on the side, to back you up as well. So that's the end of my video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you want to have some free training on affiliate marketing, that's free. All you need is your email, first name, last name, and the system will show you how to do it step by step. Below the video is that link. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share and like the video. And I just said already. Thanks for watching.